You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this genre or style of music. If you want to learn more music vocabulary, stay tuned, we've got more videos for you. The full form is rhythm, rhythm as in the beat, rhythm, and blues. In short, it's usually referred to as R for rhythm, N, because you don't really pronounce the D at the end of and because there's a B after it. Rhythm and blues. R&B. R&B. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.